So we got a Orion BMS cell tap connector here, and I had to play around quite a while to figure out how to get some extra wires out since I wasn't using two of the banks, and just thought I'd make a quick little video here showing how to do it to help anyone else. So on the sides, you need to get a fine tip screwdriver, and this thing here along the top will be pressed down in and pop up on that side, pop up on that side, and then when you look down into the connector here, you see these small holes here. Those are actually the ones that the BMS terminals go down into. It's not obvious right from the very beginning, but down in these other holes, there's a little clip, and you have to get it on both sides. You have to push it the same way, but not sure if you can see down in there, but it pushes up that way, and so you need to press it back this way. So let's see if I can get one here. So you want to get the wire, hold on to it. If you don't have a helper, which usually you don't, then you push it up this way, then the wire just comes right out. You want to have, again, really nice fine tip solid screwdriver, and get it on the tab that's in there and push it up. So push it this way, and you can see on the back of these terminals there's a little cavity right here. That little plastic thing goes up into that cavity, so what you're doing is pushing it back this way, and then it's able to just pull right out really easily. Kind of hard to see it in the video here, but just do one more. You can kind of see it down in that way. Sometimes it's, oh, then you've got to be careful not to pop that little thing back down in. Sometimes they come easy and sometimes they don't. Seems like when you get it on the first try, you have your best luck. After that, there we go. So just get the screwdriver on it really good. Try not to mash it up in there, or it makes it really hard to get the screwdriver on there. The finer the tip, generally the easier, but get it under there and push it this direction while you're sort of pushing up on the wire. If you're pulling down on the wire, it makes it kind of hard to latch it. Then again, a third hand would really be helpful. Here, we'll just do one more and see if we can get it good. Yeah. So if you're kind of, again, pushing up on it, tool in there, press it, and then pull it out, and you'll be good.